All right, I'm just gonna check in this morning real quick. So I'm headed right now to go pick up Sid. Sid just got a new RZR, and for those of you guys that don't know Sid Baltic, he's a little bit crazy. So I'm a little bit worried because he told me crazy things like we're gonna do crazy things. Our goal is to roll this thing upside down and go places where people don't usually go. So I am a little bit nervous. So this is kind of maybe even a going away video in case something happens to us. This is just to say goodbye, and it was all Sid's fault, whatever happens. All right, see you on the other side. All right, so we made it out to 5 Mile. I've got Sid right here.
What up?
And his brand new RZR. Look at this thing. Boom. And we're about to go that way and do some crazy stuff. Tune in. Just drove us up here. On the left is a drop off. On the right is a drop off. Probably about 30 feet down to the right. Oh, maybe 20 feet on the left. And I'm scared. Really scared right now. Here we go. Oh shit! We went to a spot where we shouldn't have, so now Sid's got to back up. We came to this point and it was just a drop off, so yeah, we're not gonna do that. Whoa, he almost rolled right there. Crazy guy. So we just came out and we found this mine. There's 2 of them actually, 2 entrances, and it goes pretty. Sid, why are you so afraid to walk on it?
I don't know.
Look how careful he's being. Go ahead, walk out to the middle. It's on video, you can't be scared. He goes over the steel beam. How deep is it? Can you see the bottom?
Yeah. Probably like 100 feet, 120 feet.
Yeah.
I want to get my phone.